Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abdullah from 𝗙𝗃 𝗁. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you a step-by-step procedure on how you can join a contract challenge on Flowstep and how you can claim a Flowstep Pro plan for free without paying any time. Yes, you heard me right. All you have to do is just make sure you click on the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the notification icon to get notified when new videos are posted. Yes, and also most of my videos are related to people who want to get started in text. All these offers are available whether you are going to be getting it. They are limited offer, so you don't have to miss out on any of them. The next thing you have to do is just look at the video description below. All the link you're going to be needing from A to C is provided for you. Just get started on it. Yeah, so now the next thing we're going to be moving on to is an introduction to Flowstep. What exactly is Flowstep? Flowstep is your AI design assistant. We are familiar with a lot of AI tools that are available outside and how they literally work. So now when you talk about UI design AI generator, we have the Figma AI generator, we have Usage, we have Mocktiv, we have UX Pilot, Fizzily, and some other UI design generating. And what exactly does Flowstep give for you? It gives you the access to generate design in seconds. You chat with Flowstep, describe what you want, and all you have to do is just sit back and watch it appear on the infinite canvas. So I can literally talk about this being related to Google Stitch, yes, and some of the earlier mentioned AI tools that are available. Just head over to any of the browser you are using and search for the word Flowstep, as it implies Flowstep. Yes, so you can do well to look at Flowstep AI or you just type in Flowstep. So now the first results you're going to be seeing on your search engine results page, which is your SEP page, that's what you are going to be clicking on. And when you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Can you see this amazing UI? So, and all these are going to be generated in seconds. So from concept to clarity, and you can see how good it has been in regards to the canvas. Yes, from you having a blank canvas to it editing it in seconds, and from you getting screens that you can prototype and at the same time wireframe. So now you build better products, and it's powered by the Flowstep imagination algorithms, which gives you a very good UI interface and the rest. So now the next thing we're going to be doing is after we visit the dashboard, yes, so whereby you can just copy directly to Figma or any UI UX tool that you are using to build multiple screen at once. The next part we are moving on to is to look at the pricing. Yes, so the pricing seems very important. Currently, they have two pricing model, which is the free, which is limited, and at the same time, you have multi-screen, your multi-screen limited, and your project is limited. But when you subscribe to the starter plan, so there is one for individual, and if you are someone who wants to get started as an enterprises, right? So you can just book a call. Yes, so now you can also select the tire you want, but it's charged and it goes for $15 per month. And I'm going to show you a step on how you can get this for free. Let's head over to contract. For my previous video, I made video regarding contract joining the challenge, and this is my profile. Do not forget to give it a follow. You can see some of my project portfolio. So now the next part of it is just after you head over to the contract with the link in the description below. If you are yet to sign up, you can see what we have here at this part that says join the $20 Squarespace. So now when you click on it, these are literally one of the events that is ending soon, so of which I've made a video about it. The next part of it is for you to head over to contract.com/event. When you get over there, you're going to see this ongoing event. So I made a video about this, and also I made a video about this. So if you are missing out, just go back to YouTube channel. This is Flowstep, and this is what we are diving directly into. Head over after you click on it, you are going to be able to join the challenge here. You click on join challenge, and you are going to see the guideline that binds you from what you are going to be building and what exactly it's going to be. So now there is a prize pool of $10,000, so which has a lot of submission requirements of what you need to submit, and there are some bonus points for you. And then how does the judging criterion work? So it works with your craft having 25 points all in total, leading to 100 points. Free access while you build. For us to have the pro plan, which is the 80 agents message as we have here, so you can see 80 messages. So for you to have that, all you have to do is just follow this step by step. So you sign up at flowstep.ai. The first thing is that you need to join this challenge using the link in the video description below. The second part is you sign up with the link in the video description below. And after that, you'll be able to redeem your code, which is going to be provided in the welcome email. Let's head over to see how it is here, and let's click on agree to the challenge guideline. And after that, we are good to see every other part of it. The prompting guide, how you can prompt very well as a prompt engineer, or you are building as a UI designer. So you can see a very good example of the prompt layout. So then click on join challenge. You can see you have joined challenge. It shows here. So the next thing is for you to share an update, or you make a submission. So if you've been able to do yours, and it's going to work well. So now the next thing is that we need to head over to our email to confirm our acceptance and how we can get to claim our credit code. So if you do not want to miss out on any part of it, just use all the link in the video description below, as there are a step-by-step guidance on how you cannot make a mistake and how you can get to claim this. Let's head over to our email and check in now. Okay, so I've input my details now, and let's just click on sign up. As you can see, I'm using my email, which is very related to the email I use on contract. So let's head over to our mail and do how to confirm that. Now let's wait for it. We are already on the new dashboard, so we just have to wait for it to load up. Okay, so it's loading up. Since it doesn't synchronize, we just have to wait for the dashboard to come up, and after it comes up, we can just head over to the pricing, and then we can input our discount code and get things started. This is the onboarding layout. So let's just get started with it. Or what best describe you? So you just have to select what's suitable with you, then click on next. How do you hear about this? Click on YouTube, click on next. Then how big is your company? It might just be you, or if you have a team of people who are interested in working with you, you can have that. And yeah, you just click on done. It's going to synchronize, and now we are on our dashboard. We being on the dashboard, here is where we get to input our prompt, right? And on inputting our prompt, you can just click on generate. Note, this is currently a free and limited plan. The next part of it is how we can redeem our plan. So now if you want to add any image or any documentation to prompting, you want to do more of like your normal ChatGPT or AI prompting basically. So now the next part of it we are going to be moving into is how we can claim for a plan, and we have to head over to the pricing plan and make sure our login is synchronized. And after it's been synchronized, we can just apply the discount code which is given to us with a bit. Okay, so let's head over to the pricing plan, and when you get over to the pricing plan, just click on sign in. Since you've signed up already and it's just put in your details, and that is going to synchronize it up, you are going to get to the landing page. Please save your password, so just put in your details and click on login. Let's try to generate something. So you can just click on any of these tributes word, right? So dashboard, landing page, and you can see how it's changing, right? So now let's say we on landing page for a B2B product, and the feature grade for medical kits and for medical and first aid kits. You just have to put that in, and we can just look how it is. Let's click on generate. So if you want to use the voice to test, so you can also use it here. You can at the same time attach any image, so or any file. We already click on create, and you can see the layout has changed. Preview here, and there's a way we can get to export it to any UI UX tools we're using. Literally, let's say we're using Figma and the rest. So you can see how it comes around. So this is literally the way it is. So you can draw to hide the chat here, which is more of like the sidebar. When you click on it, so it's going to hide it, and you'll be able to see what exactly you are building with time. The next part of it, let us wait a bit for it to generate up. Okay, yeah, so you can see it's making from the header section, putting some menu items to putting in some toggle for dark or light mode, sign in, request demo, and you can see the hero section, so you can see what it offers. So it's literally go with blue and white color. So now we are on our dashboard, and you can see this is a input place where you can input some of the content, and you can also see the content we created few minutes ago, right? So it's landing page for B2B. Yeah, you can navigate back to the dashboard, so you'll be able to see what you build at the same time too. So now we are going to be moving on to upgrading our account. So you click on upgrade. After you click on upgrade, you can see the startup plan, which goes for $15 per month, but when you switch to annual, it's going to be reduced, which is $12. Yes, so now all we have to do is just click on upgrade, and when you click on upgrade, you can see things that it's going to give you. On doing that, it's going to make a redirection to Stripe. So Stripe is actually the payment gateway which actually works on web, and it helps to get different type of payments done. Yeah, so now the next thing is that we are moving on with the $15 per month. Yes, and we're going to just paste in our coupon code, as you can see on the screen, contra Flowstep, then click on apply. Yes, and the next part of it is that the page hasn't fully loaded, so every part of it has not been hopped, and you have to input your card details too for it to be able to verify and synchronize. So now let's wait for the discount code to be applied successfully. Okay, so it says something went wrong. Okay, so now yeah, I've been able to reconfirm it. I can see I have a $15 all for free for 1 month. So now let me just input my card details. So if you're watching this video and you're having any issue getting a card, either a dollar card, a MasterCard, just make sure you click on the link in the video description below. As I've mentioned before, that all the link you're going to be needing is provided. So if you can use Renest, and at the same time you can use 𝗀𝗏. So now you can see that the button here is not activated yet. So now for that to be activated, you have to input your card details in this. So now I have been able to install my card, and you can see it's MasterCard. The region is from Nigeria, yes, and the button is now active to be clicked on. So now I'm going to click on it. While doing this, do make sure you do not make a reload and you do not leave the website. You can see now it's green, meaning the payment has been successfully confirmed. So you can check on your email to make the confirmation of that. So now it's loading a new part of it for us, that okay, we've successfully create ours. And now you can see I'm on the dashboard now. The blue for the upgrade is no longer showing, and my account has been moved from normal free account to a starter account. As you can see the upgrade button at the left side there. The next thing is just for us to move over to setting. Yeah, so we'll be able to confirm our subscription, organization, people, then head over to plan and billing. You can see now I am currently on starter plan, and it's just 1 seat, so which means I can manage it, add any individual I want to work with, and I have a message limit of just 80. Yes, so and I believe that's everything in you getting started about using Flowstep. If you love this video, all you have to do is just make sure you click on the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the notification icon to get notified when the videos are posted. Bye, and God bless.